Section 5.3, first up, looking at time of day as a variable to consider. So late morning, mid-afternoon, in those peak days, hottest period, high solar radiation. And it's also important to note that air temperature may lag behind solar intensity. So finding the combination of all the different variables that were discussed in the last section, temperature, humidity, solar radiation, all important. But early morning, evening sessions, really great way for coaches to work around the extreme heat and find a way to optimize for training performance without the degradation that comes from thermal stress. Now, surface type, radiant heat, artificial turf can absorb and radiate a lot of heat, even with more than 60 degrees Celsius, even 140 degrees Fahrenheit on sunny days. So it can be an extreme factor. Concrete, asphalt, metal surfaces also absorb and radiate a lot of heat. All of these areas are, particularly for outdoor workouts, critical to consider. Something that's a little more nuanced and probably less practical in most cases, but worthy of consideration is microclimates. These are small scale variations within a larger area. So within the confines of a singular field or area, there may be shaded versus sun exposed places. Some structures may block some wind. There may be different ventilation indoors in different rooms, crowd density. These are important to consider because not every case is the same, and you want to make sure that the environment is suitable for athletes and the best performance, and just be aware of the different contributing factors that may impact thermal stress and impact their performance. So to take this and apply it, if possible, schedule sessions early morning, late evenings, especially if it's hot outside and you're in a climate that has a high degree of thermal stress. Shaded areas, canopies, cool downs, programming appropriately to manage temperature zones, provide cooling, fans, ventilation. All of these different interventions can help to mitigate any onset of heat stress in athletes.